Hello, data enthusiasts. Welcome to the Everyday Analyst, where we simplify data one byte at a time. Today, we are tackling an important question. Is learning SQL still worth it in 2025, especially with AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini being able to write the code for us? Let's dive in. First, what is SQL, or should I say SQL? Some call it SQL, others call it SQL. It doesn't matter what you call it. What matters is that it's the backbone of data management and the language that databases speak. Whether you're working with small business tools like MySQL or enterprise giants like Snowflake, Amazon Redshift, Oracle, etc., SQL is everywhere. But you might wonder, why should you care about SQL in 2025? Isn't it old tech? Let's take a look at what the data says. Here's a snapshot from the Stack Overflow 2024 developer survey. We can see that SQL continues to rank as one of the most popular languages worldwide. Whether you are in data science, software engineering, or business analytics, SQL is often the first skill employers look for. Why? Because every company deals with data, and SQL is how you unlock its potential. Now, look at this. SQL is also one of the most admired and desired skills among professionals. Companies are actively looking for people who can unlock insights from their data using SQL. Whether you are aiming for a new job, a promotion, or simply want to upskill, SQL is a skill that can put you ahead of the curve. By the way, I've added link to this survey in the description and I highly recommend you checking it out, especially the technology and AI sections. They are a goldmine for understanding trends like these. Here's the best part. Learning SQL is relatively easy compared to the other programming languages. Its syntax is straightforward and almost like English, yet powerful enough to handle complex data operations. Even if you're just starting, you can write meaningful queries within days. Imagine being able to extract key insights from millions of records of data to create a report that answers critical business questions. That's the power SQL gives you. In just 6 to 8 weeks, you can become proficient in SQL and open doors to countless opportunities in data analytics and beyond. With tools like ChatGPT and Gemini AI writing SQL queries for you, you might wonder, why even bother learning SQL? Let me tell you why it's absolutely essential. You may have seen those trending posts on LinkedIn or other social media with images like the SQL tombstone, claiming that SQL is dead. Many of these posts suggest that AI tools have made writing SQL code obsolete. But here's the truth. SQL isn't going anywhere as long as businesses need to query, manipulate, and analyze data themselves. AI can assist, but SQL professionals still need to understand and refine queries to get accurate insights. Imagine this situation. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a query to calculate your company's monthly revenue. It writes a query for you, but when you run it, the results don't add up. Without knowing SQL, how will you debug it? How will you spot the errors in joins, filters, or aggregations? AI tools can assist, but they don't always understand the nuances of your dataset. So we can say that AI complements but doesn't replace. Why? Because AI can generate code, but it can't replace critical thinking, domain expertise, or the ability to ask right questions. So yes, AI is powerful, but think of it as your assistant, not your replacement. To truly harness its power, you need to understand SQL. It's like using a calculator. You still need to know the math behind. So should you learn SQL in 2025? Absolutely. Whether you're new to tech or a seasoned pro, SQL is a must-have skill for anyone working with data. And guess what? I'll be covering everything from SQL basics to advanced techniques right here on this channel. So hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey to master SQL. See you in the next video. If you liked the video, like, comment, share, and subscribe.